What's going on, guys? So today we got a new focus in the shop. Alright, so what we're doing with this one is our buddy Burt has been going without something that I think everyone kind of takes for granted here, because I've never seen another focus without a center console. So this is the new one that I picked up for him, and as you can see, it's just flat in there. It's sad.
No place to put my arm.
Nope. So as well as doing the center console, we're going to be replacing the weather stripping, because that's a super common problem where I've already removed the old one, but it all comes apart right here. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're replacing the weather stripping first. This is the one I just got for him. As you can see, it's not torn apart like it usually is. I turned your lights off. Thank you. Really easy. Just gonna follow the path that's already bent to.
Over the edge,
And that's done.
feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us.
So the T20.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated.
What was that YouTuber's name that called him? Starved It?
Story's over now. I
Oh, Sarah
must
and Tim.
conclude.
The torch.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Alright, so after that little clip on the bottom, these two T20 Torx just pulls out, and then you have the single plug that goes in here, pinch it together, comes right out.
There's no 5.5.
Oh, that's an easy fix. So
Yes.
this wasn't working. All it did was pop off, apparently. So there we go. Well, sometimes they just, crack, which this one just popped out of it because it's got a little socket and like a little ball joint here. So yeah, just popped out for whatever reason. All right. Alright, so this is actually really easy. This is the main electrical cable for all of this. Doing it in reverse. It should just pop up 7/30 seconds is a 5.5. Alright, so just like that. And then that'll pull out. Just like that. Alright, so that should just
Alright, so
pretty much.
bolt there, the change portion pops in all of these.
This side just snaps in, but I couldn't get it, so what we did was just pulled that up and ripped it all out.
And then, look at that.
Don't forget about the wire for the phone charger.
Lift up.
Here.
Alright, so
Hang on.
Where's the Colombian Bam Bam? What the shit?
alright, so while this is out, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick and then come back.
Hey, there's my counterfeit pen.
Alright, you want to explain real quick what we're doing for now?
Alright, so the first gen model has a massive plug and one plug in here. So what we're going to do is, instead of having all the plugs in here, we're just going to use the stock,
For now.
smaller plug for now.
Because this is the harness out of the other one.
which has sync and what's that one for?
The aux cord. And then this is the plug for the sync one,
Yeah.
which it doesn't match. So what we'll probably do eventually is maybe de-pin this and then pin it in here, or we'll get this connector and wire it in that way. But for now, we're just going to make one of them work.
The more important one.
Yeah. Charge that phone up. No, it's close, but hold up. Uh-oh. Bring it forward, son. Bring it back down. No, because this giant thing will be in the fucking way. Hang on. Aha! Bring it back down. Nice.
Alright, that's going to work.
Maybe.
Gotta make sure it tucks under here. Yeah, that'll work.
Woo woo!
Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Onward to glory.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Alright guys, and with that, he has a center console. What do you think, Bart?
Fucking bitching, thank you.
Alright guys, we will see you next time. Be sure to, you know, give us the likes, subscribe if you haven't, and and let us know what you think. See ya.
All right, now do that whole thing again.
Me and the bread approve.
You got somewhere to put your bread now.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, it's room for activities.